our provincial chairpersons from all across the country. They are all here as well. I ask them to stand up for provincial chairpersons. Bring your candidates. Constituency leaders, rank chairpersons who are here, activities and ambassadors of National Assembly. Members of the media, you are also welcome. I give you all this assessment. I'm particularly excited that this day is starting here colleagues. It gives me pleasure to welcome all of you to the province of Zambia. The province is the cast of change. Today marks a historical moment for National Assembly as we launch our inaugural national manifesto here in the against Parliament, which is targeted at the millions of South Africans who have been overlooked and forgotten and neglected by the unpatriotic government over the last 3 decades. As we advance our first ever national and provincial election meetings, great efforts have been made on the ground across Zambia and South Africa alike to actively engage residents in different communities, informing them about National State and its offerings. Each day when we have taken the streets and communities by storm and weapon, we have recruited and we have converted people to ask them to vote for National State. Today, our President, Mr. Ahmed Mashaba, we will offer hope and online vision of a nation that is filled with economic opportunities, growth and prosperity, and transformation under the National government. An alternative government that delivers and offers relevant plans on how to fix our future. Over the past few months, I have had the honor to visit all our beautiful province of Zambia and engaging with citizens from all the metros and all the 6 local municipalities, hearing from them about the challenges that they are facing, but also witnessing and assessing the extent of the damage caused by the failure of the current government. My desire, President, is that we must intervene and join the fight against the complete disregard that has become the data every time and every day that it comes. We as residents of Zambia and citizens of South Africa can no longer sit idle while our conditions continue to decay and stop imitate that National Assembly can fix our beautiful nation. We must without haste cast our ballot and remove the unhealthy government on the territory. President, we know that the challenges in our country and our province are too great, but we are saying at the top of our priorities, it must be jobs, business, and service. We have a budget of 171 billion rand. And this budget, in my view, and in the view of Zambia, 70% of this budget must go towards infrastructure development. We want to ensure that all our roads, all our bridges, all our electricity supply, All our water and sanitation infrastructure is repaired and maintained. President, we want to ensure that all our banking factories here in Gauteng, all of the dilapidated inner city buildings are all being taken and given back to our people. But also very critical, President, is the issue of law and order. In Gauteng, we see all our extra paradise. But today, we can also say we are the epicenter of all kinds of crimes. From your murder, from GDP, from Lay, from the Zamazamas, who are terrorizing our people, who are terrorizing law-abiding citizens, from Pakistanis and Somalians, who are busy